What are 3 things that someone should be looking out for when going to get a tattoo? Because maybe they run into someone that doesn't really give a much of shit like you do. What should they be looking like? If I walk into the shop, am I looking for dirt? Am I looking for, what am I looking for? Give me 3 things to look out for and run if I see them.
Yeah. So before I answer that question, first off, like, if I can't match you with somebody, I know hundreds, if not thousands of tattoo artists. I can find you an artist that you can trust. It might even be in your local area. However, my big question to anybody that doesn't want to make the trip is, how much do you value your body? What's more important? You get a tattoo that's, a quick, convenient drive, or you get a tattoo that, you're never gonna regret, because the guy down the street might make you look like an old high school desk.